After years of wanting to give drifting a go, my husband Kieran finally convinced me to grow a set and give it a go. I was shit my pants and anxiety was through the roof.
There you go.
Keep It Reet run a really awesome drift school and they really encourage women to give it a go too. First thing they get you to do is a couple of donuts around the cone. At this point I was so shaky I felt really sick, but it was so much fun. Next up they get you to do some figure eights.
There's 3. Is that 3 cones?
Yeah. You just do what you want to do though.
Okay.
Don't stress.
Just the one?
Even if you want to do one, that's fine.
Okay. I am, yeah. Yeah, it's hot. Keep driving?
Yeah. Just put it in.
I can't find the gears. I can't move the gear stick.
It's hot as fuck. Done really well.
Did I?
Much as fuck.
Did I fuck it? Sorry.
Yeah, that's okay. There we go.
So bad.
Let's go. Thanks.
That was quick.
It's on.
What a fun day. The car shit itself after I had a go, so Kieran never got a go. Sorry.
Another 9 years away.
Thanks for watching guys, and if you're into cars give us a follow.